this video, we'll show you how to add your Sindoh 3DWOX1 to the Polar Cloud. The Sindoh is a great printer for the classroom or makerspace with tons of features that make it really easy to use. Did you know that it has a camera in front that helps you monitor your prints? One of the best ways to use the camera is by connecting your printer to the Polar Cloud. Doing so is easy. From the main menu, click Cloud and then Polar Cloud. Here we'll enter our Polar username and PIN code. We find those by heading to polar3d.com. Click sign up for free if you haven't been here before, and then sign in using one of our 4 OAuth providers. Here I'll use my Google account. Once you're signed in, click your name in the top right and then click Cloud Account. I'm a premium user, so it says Premium Account. Then scroll down and find email/username and PIN. Write these down if you need to, because these are what we'll be entering on the printer. Here, I'll quickly add my email as my username and my 4-digit numerical PIN. The keyboard is rather small, so make sure you've typed everything correctly, then click on. It'll register your printer, and the next time you visit the Polar Cloud, you'll see all of your temperature and camera controls for your printer. You can slice jobs in the build plate environment and monitor your printer from anywhere in the world. Happy printing!